What's the matter, Jack? What's the matter? Are you okay? Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, good boy. Jack, what's the matter? You need help? There you go. You're free. Go ahead. You could go now. Go ahead, Jack. Sean, call Jack.
Jack, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come on. Come on. Come here. Careful, boy.
Daddy make a blanket for you?
Yeah.
You got a bed?
Come here.
You wagging your tail? You're happy to be home, right? You happy to be home? Go to your bed. See
Jack,
your bed?
Come here. Come here, Jack.
Who made you a little bed?
Come on, come here. Come here. Don't they say that a neutered dog is a happy dog?
I don't know.
Isn't that like one of the
We'll
things?
see. He's not happy right now with that thing on.
Yeah, he'll be happy though. He's trying to, he's like, come on. Jack!
He's waking up a little bit.
Yeah. He's starting to wake up. So we have to make sure and remember to give him that medication. We can give him one a little later. Oh, she can go upstairs. Jack, come here! Are you taking video? Are you taking video?
Yeah. Really stop.